Hi, I'm Isabelle, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to password protect your forms. This way you can add another level of security to your forms or just create a sense of exclusivity by limiting access to specific people. To build this form, I used Cognito Forms, which is an online form builder that's free for individuals to use and includes up to 100 form responses every month. If you know you're going to receive more than 100 submissions every month, or you just want more advanced features, you can check out the other plan levels. But for our purposes, the individual plan will work just fine. Once you log in, you're going to land on your dashboard and you'll see all the forms you've built on the sidebar on your left. If you don't see the sidebar, just move the mouse to the left side of the screen and it'll appear. You can click this button to dock it for persistent access. To create your form, you have a few different options on how to get started. You can start from scratch, choose a pre-built template, or generate one using AI. For this example, I've already built an event registration form, so we can take a look at that by going to the build page of that form. Before adding password protection to your form, one thing that I do recommend is enabling data encryption. You'll only be able to do this if you subscribe to a team or a pro plan, but this step isn't strictly necessary for password protection to work, and your data is already protected while it's being transmitted. So if you want to skip this step, you can. It just adds an extra layer of security by encrypting sensitive data stored on your form. To add the password protection to this form, all you need to do is create a new page at the top by adding a page break. Then add a text box field, which you can label password, and then set the type to password. After that, scroll down in the field settings where you see require this field and set it to always. This setting requires the user to enter a password before advancing through the form, so don't forget this step. Lastly, you'll need to show a custom error message when an incorrect password has been entered. So you'll need to set some conditional logic here. You'll click when and set your logic to show the custom error message when the password is not whatever your correct password is. So for example, I'll set my password to my name, Isabelle. Once you save your logic, you'll need to add an actual message that'll appear when the wrong password is entered. Something simple like, you have entered an incorrect password. Now, if you preview the form and enter an incorrect password, you'll see the custom error message. But if you go back and enter a correct password, you'll be able to access the rest of the form. If you're ready to share your form, all you need to do is save it and then go to the Publish tab and copy the link to your form. You can share this link with your users, and once you've started collecting your submissions, you'll be able to find all those records in your entries page. That's all I'm going to cover in this video, but if you'd like to learn more about Cognito Forms, you can check out the other videos on this channel or browse our user guides, which I've linked in the description below. And also, if you have any questions or you just need help setting up something, you can reach the support team directly by submitting a support request.